All right, we're gonna start with the test of the microwave fabric popcorn bag. We have a third cup of kernels from Darling's Popcorn. This I got at the local popcorn shop. And we have a Game of Thrones, so super cute, popcorn bag. Pause. All right, now I've put the popcorn in the bag. Putting the cover on. There we go. Shake, shake, shake. Taking up to the microwave. Here we go. Placed on the microwave. Going to the popcorn button. And now we're going to watch it pop. I was thinking I needed a quarter cup to start with, but I couldn't find my quarter cup, so third cup it is. Oh, first pop. And the clock says we have 28 seconds left, 27. Kind of cute, never used a fabric bag before. Since it's still popping, I'm going to hit the extra. Nope, still not popping. All right. Sometimes when I have the other microwave bags, it says, oh, give it a little extra bit. Watch, I am paying attention to the fact that there is popcorn in here and steam. And I'm holding the camera with the phone with one hand and opening the bag with the second. Oh, look. That's really kind of cool. And now we're going to take our popcorn bucket and see how many kernels we have left. Oh, I still have a few. So that's not so bad. This means that I need to practice on how long this has to go. Popcorn setting is just its guide, it's not a total way to do things in the microwave. So I call this a win because now I get to eat popcorn without salt, without oil, and anything else. Yum. Bye.